Hi, I'm Hollin Zimmerman, founder and practitioner of Inner-getics. At Inner-getics, we use a microcurrent therapy machine called the LaFleur Repairer. This is a combination of microcurrent therapy and also massage to work with areas for healing that will be throughout the body. Often the LaFleur Repair and microcurrent therapy is used with sports training injuries and with different issues of muscle and tissue repair over the body. Also, we use this for the face and for building the collagen, elastin, and working with wrinkles and issues in the face area. So let's start our healing. Okay, if you'll place your hand on this, the name of the machine is the LaFleur Repair. And this is the metal, this is the brass plate right here that is the bioimpedance tissue reader. Okay. So bioimpedance is happening with this, where the machine is actually reading your hand at the same time. Oops. It's reading your hand, your tissue at the same time that it is repairing. So what's happening is electricity flows through our cells naturally. And as things like aging and trauma from injury occurs, then what happens is these cells lose their ability to store energy and to store electricity. So what we're doing here is we are sending electricity back into the body, and the cells that are damaged are acting a bit like batteries. So think of them as depleted batteries, that we are now pumping impulses of sodium and potassium into the cells, balancing the sodium-potassium ratio, making the glucose that's working in your body operate more effectively. Thus, we are building up the cells and creating, of course, collagen, elastin on the outside of the skin. But inside the cell, what is happening is that the electricity is able to actually stay stored in the damaged cells. So by running this slowly over the area and the surrounding area, then electricity is actually going in and recharging the cells. Once the cells are recharged, then they're able to naturally heal themselves again and return to a natural state.
Well, this is the third session we've done, and I've definitely noticed a difference in me. There's not as much pain, there's more flexibility.
Well, I think it's commendable that you're trying these holistic alternatives, because that is the natural first place to start, which is what our body wants to do, is naturally heal itself. And with the right conscious thoughts that are going on inside your head to create your own healing, then as a reflection of the physical work that you're doing, physical action that you're taking, that is a great combination to be able to attempt the holistic approach and allow your body to respond and absorb. Each person's body, of course, responds differently and to the healing and to the treatments. There are many things that you can do with this instrument. There are 15 different attachments. And so I've worked with people that have the little brown spots on the face, or the small wrinkles, and the little wrinkles around the lips, for example. And what we've been able to do is actually take some of those blemishes away with just a few sessions. So I've seen the darker colors get to lighter colors, and I've seen small wrinkles totally fade. Just like right now, what we're doing is we're actually pulsating, we're sending impulses into the skin, and it's going directly into the cell. So you're having these little pulsating action between the passive and the active that are happening. And this pulsating is sort of similar to acupuncture, but it's actually creating a larger area in a smaller amount of time. And we're just treating the surrounding area around the knee, around the meniscus, the area that you have. It's, of course, penetrating the muscles and the tendons, the ligaments. And so this treatment is about 10 minutes long, and then we actually will work on the other areas around it. So the whole treatment itself can be an hour long, along with a little bit of the gentle massage around the area to help it penetrate and to also assist the ATP. The ATP can actually move up to about 500% here in this area. So in 10-minute increments is what we want to do, and then I adjust the machine at those various points. This is also called electrostimulation. And there is much research on the internet about it. And as a matter of fact, on the website that I have, of course that's inner-getics.com, INNER-GETICS.com, that explains thoroughly how the microcurrents work. And there are quite a few pages of description with exactly how that works there. I am Hollin Zimmerman, founder and practitioner of Inner-getics, licensed and trained in microcurrent therapy, therapeutic massage, personal training, and CPR.